let's look at the way that you contact the DailyMotion support. Welcome back to this quick tutorial video. If you're trying to contact the support team of DailyMotion and you don't know how, in this video, let me show you the process. Open up a web browser of your choice and search for faq.dailymotion.com. This is the official URL of the support page or the support section of DailyMotion. Once you're inside of the support page, what you can do is scroll down and see a section called Submit a Request. Now, based upon the request or the support that you need from DailyMotion, you can click on one of these major options. Once you click on these options, you'll get a form that you need to fill in. Now, depending upon your topic that you clicked on, you may have different options. You just need to add in your email address, your request type, your environment, so where you use DailyMotion, and here you need to add in a subject and a description. If you're facing an issue, make sure you address your problems in both on the subject and on the description. If you have a screenshot or a file that you can share, that will also be better. You can click on Add File and add in the screenshot that you need to add in. Once you fill in these information, you can now click on Submit. Like I said earlier, depending upon the type of request. So if I click on the partnership request, you're going to have different options or forms that you need to fill in. So that's the way that you can contact the DailyMotion support. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you guys found this video helpful. That's going to be all for today. I'm going to see you guys in the next video.